These ASMR type videos that I do are just everything to me at times. I think simply because it just shows more of the behind the scenes of how quiet I do actually have it when I do have some downtime or alone time, or when I'm just focusing on getting things done around my shop. Because obviously when I'm with clients, unless someone requests a silent appointment, there's always some sort of music or sounds of some sort going on. And I am a person that is very, very in need of quiet time. After any kind of dealings with people and stuff, I like quiet to think. But anyway, this is an unboxing video with some information in regards to the Sexy Smooth Tickle Pink. I could go on and on about Sexy Smooth Wax and just watching them hitting the ground running as an upcoming waxing, or not waxing company, but waxing line. You guys know I get tongue-tied. Here in the United States. From what I know, they service in other countries, etc. But as far as what we have so far in U.S., we've had 2 different colors. And out of the colors, we've had 2 purples and then this pink. So they've sent me some wax, you guys, several to review. Actually, this purchase here is one that I made on my own just because of how much I actually like the wax and the great deals that they have. It's like 53% off plus another 20 with 2 new colors that they actually released, which today is January 19th, 2024. So yeah, but enough of that, you guys. I am just basically letting you know this brand is a hot brand. If you are an esthetician, I would highly suggest checking out Sexy Smooth's line. They're great for beginners and for pros also. But yeah, this is the Tickle Pink. So as you can see, I already have some in the pot, you guys. This was just me trying to clean up residuals. I am a stickler for things being like perfect all the time. Although I'm very unesthetic, go figure. But you guys, this right here is me just doing this, but I'm getting ready to go ahead and reload it and then stir it up. I'm going to spike my pot, as you can see, to get it done because I had a client that was like 15 minutes away. And then I bring it back down to get prepped to have it at the right consistency. So this wax does not need high temps to melt down. Actually, very low temps will get it right. Okay, I was just in a rush and trying to do it. So pro tip on it, like when you spike your pot and you get everything pretty much melted on the outside and you need it to be cool enough to actually put on someone, then once you get the clump in the middle, mixing it all around into the more hotter temp wax is going to get you cooling. But I would highly suggest having a temp gun to keep you up on what temperature it is, because you know, consistency majority of the time is always key, but can be sometimes deceiving. So get you guys a temperature reader. But as you can see, I'm doing exactly the method that I was advising. And I would say this girl, Tickle Pink, could go from high temps to low temps, depending on how thin or thick you want to lay it, depending obviously on the hair type you're dealing with. And if you're a waxer, then when you know, you know. But any questions, let me know. I love Sexy Smooth Wax, and I will continue to be, but signing off again as a Sexy Smooth lover.